Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Here I have the bulk hair of 613 color. I'm going to be making permanent lock extensions for my client because she wants a red color. Here are the locks. I did a total of 87 locks. All the locks are not here shown, but this is the end result of me making the locks. My client had previous lock extensions. They were too big for her locks. So she removed them. She came in. These are the locks. I'm undoing her locks with my tool, which you can purchase on my website, which is below. So I start from the end of her lock and I work my way through to like about 1.5 inches because that's all I'm going to need. Here I go, fast motion, just showing you how it's all done. I apologize, guys. My phone had died and I was not able to post or to record the final of me completing the permanent lock extensions with the blonde locks. So I apologize for that. This is the color that I used. And here it is. I'm going to be washing the color out now. The color came out beautiful. Beautiful, vibrant, beautiful color. Now she's under the dryer, drying the locks so that I can palm roll and give her the double twist style. She was very happy client. Look how beautiful she looks. Even under the dryer, she looks beautiful. Here's the final results of the lock extensions that I installed to lengthen her locks. Here I'm double twisting them because that's the look that she desired. That's how she wants to wear her locks. Look how beautiful. Guys, I thank you so much for watching my videos. I greatly appreciate you all supporting me, my business, my channel. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when I do post more videos. And if you like my videos, please share my videos. Once again, thank you for tuning in, and until next time, have a great one, guys.